Dear students, little friends, how are you? Fine? Everything all right? Take care. Today we are in our bridge course in lecture number 4. Myself, Kati sir. Everybody knows now. Here we are going to discuss some positive ion and negative ion for nomenclature of inorganic compound. Inorganic chemistry એમાં જે nomenclature છે એના માટે આપણે જોઈએ. So first of all we will discuss about positive ions, then we will discuss about negative ions, and then formula of the nomenclature, how to give name of any inorganic compound. So yes, here we will discuss about tricks and remember how to remember that particular name. So first of all, positive ions, yes, and having charge +1. In NCERT pattern we are represent as 1 then after plus. Yes, having +1 charge, ions are hydrogen. Yes, whenever charge of hydrogen +1, it is called hydrogen. Then Na plus lithium, Na plus sodium, K plus potassium, Rb plus rubidium, Cs plus cesium, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Then NH4 plus is ammonium. Then after PH4 plus is phosphonium. Yes, this is the name. These are the name of our positive ion which has a +1. H3O plus oxonium. Here we are discussing about those ions which comes in our syllabus of 11 and 12 science. Oxonium ion, otherwise hydronium ion. Yes, H3O plus possesses two names, oxonium and hydronium. Understood? Then suppose Cu plus 1. So it is Cu. Sometimes particular element having two charges, more than one. If it is +1, then cuprous. Having +2 charge is the cupric. Cuprous and cupric. Yes, cuprous and cupric. Yes, also we will discuss some exceptions also here. We will discuss phosphonium. Then Hg plus 1 means mercurous. Mercurous. Hg2 plus 2 also mercurous. You can see here mercury is one time and charge having +1. Here mercury is 2 times and total charge is +2. So both possesses +1 +1. So which is also mercurous, and every mercury having +1 charge. Then after Tl +1, we know which is thallium. Helium possesses two charge. Sometimes, yes, some of the element having more than one I charge. Here 3 plus also helium. Charge depends on the it combines with which type of the ions. એટલે પોઝિટિવ રેડિકલ કોની સાથે કમ્બાઇન છે એના ઉપર ડિપેન્ડ કરશે. યસ, ઇટ્સ ડિપેન્ડિંગ અપોન which type of negative ion combines with it. Now we are going to having charge plus 2. Before that we will complete having plus 1. Ag plus 1 Pheno silver. Au plus 1 is aurum. Here also exception. Aurum sometimes having plus 3 charge, which is also aurum. Understood? These are positive ions and having charge plus 1. Understood? Dear students, now charge plus 2 having ions. Why we are doing this? Yes, for nomenclature of inorganic compound we are doing this. Yes, it is compulsory for your 11th-12th science. So now charge having 2 plus, otherwise plus 2. Calcium 2 plus, calcium. Mg2 plus, magnesium. Calcium, magnesium. Sr2 plus, strontium. Be2 plus, beryllium. Ba2 plus, barium. Calcium, magnesium, strontium. Then after, suppose mercury, one mercury atom possesses plus 2 charge. Yes, we read as a plus 2, but in return it comes 2 plus mercury. And this one, Hg2 plus 2, we discussed, is a mercurous. Having plus 1 charge is a mercury. એટલે બે મર્ક્યુરીનો ટોટલ છે, એટલે બેનો પ્લસ 1 પ્લસ 1, એટલે ટોટલ પ્લસ 2 છે. પણ એકનું પ્લસ 1 એટલે મર્ક્યુરસ છે. હિયર mercury. Like this, Fe2 plus is a ferrous, but Fe having plus 3 is a ferric. Yes, Fe plus 2 is a ferrous, where plus 3 is a ferric. Then Mn plus 2, manganese. Mn2 plus, manganese. Here Mg plus 2 is a magnesium, manganese. Zn2 plus, which is a zinc, cobalt. CO2 plus is a cobalt. Sometimes it possesses plus 3 charge, so which is also cobalt. Then nickel, Na2 plus is a nickel. And now, then after nickel, lead, platinum, lead, Pb2 plus is a lead. Sometimes lead possesses plus 4 charge, which is also lead. Yes. Cu plus 2, we discussed, is a cupric. Cu plus 1 is the cuprous. Now platinum. Platinum having charge 2 plus or plus 4, whatever. It depends upon the compound. So which is called platinum. Platinum possesses plus 2 charge. Beryllium, mercury, platinum we discussed. Now having plus 3 charge. Ions are having plus 3 charge. Yes, so ions are. If you want to this, then I am giving you a trick. When you watch the video, you can take screenshot. So everything comes in your mobile. Understood? You can take screenshot during watching of this video. So you get screenshot in your mobile. So 3 plus means having charge plus 3. So Cr3 plus chromium, boron, Al3 plus aluminium, Ga3 plus gallium, In3 plus indium, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium. Then Tl3 plus thallium. Thallium is also discussed in list of plus 1, yes, which is also thallium. Thallium possesses plus 1 and plus 2. This is exceptional. Now Sb3 plus is antimony. Then antimony. Then Bi3 plus is bismuth. So now you can see, and whenever Fe having 3 plus, which is ferric, we discuss also, whenever it has a plus 2 charge, so ferric, this one is ferrous and ferric. Yes, this one is ferric, this one is ferrous. Chromium, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, antimony, bismuth, ferric, having plus 3 charge. Now having plus 4 ions. Plus 4 ions are carbon. Yes. In organic compound, carbon comes, so it has in some compound possesses plus 3 charge, carbon. Then Si plus 4, so it is silicon. Ge plus 4 is germanium. Carbon, silicon, germanium. Now Sn is a tin, but here whenever charge is plus 4, so it is called a stenic. And tin having charge plus 2 is a stannous. Yes, stenic and stannous. Now lead, we discussed having both plus 2 and plus 4, both are, we calls lead. lead, platinum. Yes, platinum possesses +4 and +2 both. We call platinum. Understood? All the positive ions discussed here, having +1, +2, +3 and +4. Now we are going to having a negative charge, which is called negative ions. Which we are calling negative ions. Negative. Understood? Here also having the -1 charge. H minus is a hydride. Yes. H plus is a hydrogen, where H minus is a hydride. F minus is a fluoride. Cl minus chloride. Br minus bromide. I minus iodide. CH3COO minus acetate, which is acetate. ClO minus hypochlorite. Yes, hypochlorite. ClO2 minus is only chloride. Everybody proper દેખાય છે ને? Everything is going well in watching. Now in ClO3 minus is a chlorate, not chlorite, which is a chlorate. ClO3 minus is a chlorate ion. ClO4 minus is a perchlorate. Yes, Cn minus is a cyanide. OH minus is a hydroxide, which is a hydroxide. Now IO3 minus like this, which is a iodate. IO4 minus like this, or iodate. Periodate. IO4 minus is periodate. Now BrO3 minus like this, which is a bromate. BrO4 minus is a perbromate. Understood? Now we are going some another having -1 ions are HCO3 minus. HCO3 minus is a bicarbonate. Here bi lagging. Before carbonate there is hydrogen, so one hydrogen. There should be one hydrogen. So bi we have to apply. In carbonate there is one hydrogen, so bicarbonate. Then HSO4 minus Bicarbonates, another name is also hydrogen carbonate also. HSO4 minus is a bisulfate. Here hydrogen sulfate also. Yes, both are name of HSO4 minus. Now HSO3 minus, so which is bisulfite. HS minus is yes, another name is hydrogen sulfite. Now HS minus bisulfide. Here is TE, here is DE. Otherwise, hydrogen sulfide. Don't make mistake. SCN minus is a thiocyanate. And NCS minus isothiocyanate. Which is now MnO4 minus. We know about it. Permanganate. MnO4 minus is permanganate. And others, MnO4 minus is a permanganate. Then sometimes MnO4 minus 2 having charge which is called only manganate. This one permanganate. This one manganate only. O2 minus 1 is called superoxide. Wherever O2 having charge minus 1, which is called superoxide. Then H2PO4 minus. H2PO4 minus. Here and binyl again. Why? There are two hydrogens. So dihydrogen phosphate. These are the given all the negative ions possesses minus 1 charge. Some of exceptionally taking minus 2 for better understanding. So you can't make mistake in future. MnO4 minus permanganate, MnO4 2 minus is a manganate. Understood? Now, thereafter having a minus 2 charge ions. These are the screenshot ले लेना. Then after 2 minus having charge, negative charge 2 minus, otherwise minus 2. Whenever one oxygen possesses charge minus 2, which is called oxide. O2 minus 2 is a peroxide. CO3 2 minus carbonate. SO4 2 minus sulfate. SO3 2 minus sulfite S2 minus. All the three are different name. All the three ions having different name but similar: sulfate, sulfite and sulfide. Now suppose HPO4 2 minus, so biphosphate. Why bi comes? One hydrogen or bi comes, otherwise hydrogen phosphate also another name, or biphosphate or hydrogen phosphate. Then after C2O4 minus 2 is oxalate. C2O4 2 minus is a oxalate ion. C4H4O6 2 minus is a tartarate. This is tartarate. SnO3 2 minus stenate. SnO2 2 minus stenite. Then CrO4 minus 2 is a chromate. Cr2O7 minus 2, so dichromate, which is dichromate Cr2O7. These are the having minus 2 charge ions. We have to remember. And we discussed earlier MnO4 2 minus is a manganate. Once again, where MnO4 minus 1 having is a permanganate. Now having minus 3 charge ions are having minus 3 charge ions are here minus 3 minus BO3 minus 3 is a borate. PO3 3 minus phosphite. PO4 3 minus phosphate. P minus 3 phosphide. N minus 3 nitride. And in our laboratory this radical comes in practical, which is ferricyanide. Ferricyanide, yes. Having minus 3 charge, N minus 3 nitride, P minus 3 phosphide, PO4 minus 3 phosphate, PO3 minus 3 phosphite, and BO3 minus 3 is a borate. Now having minus 4 charge, yes, having minus charge ions are carbon comes in both minus and plus. Sometimes in organic compound it possesses plus 4 charge, sometimes minus 1. It depends upon it combines with which type of ions or elements. So carbon, then SiO4 minus 4, which is a silicate. Now FeCN6 having minus 4 is a ferro. That was having minus 3 is a ferri. Cyanide. This one ferrocyanide. Don't make mistake. Understood? Why we are remember this type of radicals? Yes. Now our trick starts. We are going to nomenclature of or inorganic compound, not organic, inorganic. Nomenclature of inorganic compound. Here is the trick. Our start. Any compound should be neutral by charge. If it is not neutral, then which is not compound, it should be ion. Compound should be always neutral, यानी कोई charge ना हो. When we take PO4 3 minus, so yes, this is not compound, this is ion, phosphate ion. Sodium, or this is plus 1, so which is a sodium ion. Understood? Any compound, every compound should be neutral by charge. Yes, this is our first point of trick. Now listen. We are going to give the name. In compound, in organic, there should be two parts, positive part and negative part. Here charge is plus 1, here is minus 1. So positive charge neutralized by negative, and negative charge neutralized by positive. When both combines with each other, so charge will be removed and it became 0. Now what is trick? Yes, first we have to use our chart we discussed. Now this one is the sodium. Yes. This one is a hydroxide. So both name combined, sodium hydroxide. This is the name of the compound, and also bulb will be blow in our mind. Okay, our compound possesses two ions. Yes, electric thing. અને compound જોઈને કયો પોઝિટિવ પાર્ટ અને કયો નેગેટિવ પાર્ટ છે તરત જ મગજમાં આવશે. Name easily you can remember. Sodium hydroxide. Understood? Here plus 1 and minus 1 cut. Now what about this? Mg2 plus, which is magnesium. No. Now SO4 2 minus is a sulfate. So what happens actually? Yes, when both comes to each other, close to each other, so charge will be neutralized. Minus 2 cut, plus 2 minus 2 became 0. Why? Compound should be neutral. So here this positive and negative and combines, so it is our formula of the compound, and positive part comes first, negative part comes last in nomenclature. So here magnesium sulfate is the name of our compound. Understood? I hope you are enjoying your lecture. Now what about charge is not equal? Yes, I am going there. Question is raised in your mind, I know. What about having different charge? Yes, aluminium having 3 plus, so actually aluminium and O2 minus, which is oxide. What about this? Here charge is not equal, charge are different. Yes. So we have to first remove charge plus, here only 2. This is 3. Cross multiplication law. 3 multiply to oxygen and 2 multiply to aluminium. So we get our formula Al2O3. Yes. Here aluminium 2 times whatever. Aluminium oxide. This is our aluminium oxide. Here oxygen 3 times. Why oxygen 3 times taken in aluminium 2 times? For the balancing charge. One aluminium possesses 3 plus 3 plus. So total plus 6. One oxygen having minus 2. So total is minus 6. So charge is neutral. So our formula is Al2O3. Now understood? This is cross multiplication trick. Yes. Once again, first plus 3 minus 2. Charge consider नहीं करेंगे. We are not considering. Actually charge is there, but trick. We are not considering charge. 2 multiply to aluminium cross. 3 multiply to oxygen. So Al2O3. Aluminium is one element, so don't make mistake. No need to take in bracket. Yes. So sometimes comes bracket. Yes, we are going there. Here aluminium 3 plus and OH minus 1, which is hydroxide ion. Understood? Here what happens? Here charge is minus 1, here 3 plus. So we have to take 3. OH having 1. Minus 1 means 1. 1 should be multiplied to aluminium. And 3 should be multiplied to OH. So it means that we are taking OH 3 times. Aluminium 1 times. 1 છે superscript. So this superscript multiply to aluminium. This superscript multiply to OH. But aluminium is 1 time, it's okay. OH is 3 times. But this type of representation is not allowed. It is meaningless. Meaning nothing. Why? OH 3 means oxygen 1, hydrogen 3. Meaning is changed. But actually oxygen 3, hydrogen 3. So we are taking bracket. So whenever 2 different type of elements comes as a negative ion, and when we are multiplying by its superscript, so there should be compulsory bracket comes. So aluminium, why? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, total 3 minus. Here plus 3. So our formula is why bracket is taken to different element. We are taking both 3 times, so bracket we have to apply. In name is aluminium hydroxide. Don't make mistake here. 3 times hydroxide, whatever. We are taking 3 times, but in nomenclature comes 1 time hydroxide. 3 times O is taken for the balancing charge of the aluminium. So aluminium hydroxide. બધા સ્ટુડન્ટને મજા આવી હશે. I hope you enjoyed and subscribe my channel and share to your friends. તમારા પેરેન્ટ્સને મારી યાદી આપજો. વિડીયો છે તમારા ફ્રેન્ડ્સને મોકલજો, જોજો, લાઈક કરજો, સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરજો. આના જે નોમેનક્લેચર્સ છે હજી બાકી છે. ઇન નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચર આપણે આના નોમેનક્લેચર્સ હજી અઘરા જોશું. તમને ટ્રીક આપીશ. ધેન આફ્ટર આપણે ઇક્વેશન chemical reaction no balancing શીખીશું. Bye, take care, we will meet in our next lecture. Goodbye dear student. If any query you can call me. My number is given to you. Once again I am giving you myself, Katisha. Anytime you can call me. Bye.